Welcome to a new month, a new hair juice, and as always, continuous health and growth. This recipe, I included measurements for dry, fresh, and powdered ingredients. This juice will quickly provide strength and nourishment throughout your scalp, helping to repair and condition the skin cells on your scalp, fighting dandruff and irritation. This juice has anti-inflammatory benefits that will fully soothe and nourish the follicles. All ingredients combined will provide your hair with the right nutrients to produce stronger, thicker hair, stimulate growth, and prevent hair loss. Add all ingredients to boiled water, making sure the temperature is set to the lowest heat, just enough to keep the water warm. If using a crock pot, add your water and all your ingredients and set to the lowest temperature. Always make sure to stir your product and make sure you do not boil the water. You just want the water to keep warm. And you can cook it for as long as you like. I did 4 hours. You can do more or less. It's up to you, but I prefer the longer the better. The spray bottle I use for when I am styling my hair, refreshing, or even doing my scalp massages. In the glass jar I use this when I'm done my wash day. I like to seal in all that moisture from my deep conditioner. Everything stays in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. I begin on freshly shampooed and deep conditioned hair. I start with the liquid and I pour this all over my hair. I make sure to give my hair a good squeeze just to ensure my strands will absorb the liquid. I dump my hair in the liquid repeatedly over. This whole method took me about 10 minutes. And yes, I do this every single week with my hair juice. I just keep reapplying the water from my roots all the way to my ends. I give myself a good massage until I am fully satisfied. And you don't have to do a method like this. I like to take the extra mile. You can definitely do this in the shower once you're done rinsing out your deep conditioner. Or after you're finished out the shower, you can apply this mixture to your hair before you style. I already know it's gonna be some bullshit. I just washed my hair and the heat is going to take me, as you can see, in my hair throughout the whole week. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'll see you for the next video. Bye guys.